You hope to see improvement on where my predecessor has left. I came in at a very challenging time. I know it, I recognize it, and I will work on how to improve from where my predecessor has left. I've been a member of the management team. We have tried to do our best, but it's not enough. There is room for improvement.
Any change in strategy?
Definitely. We are going to reject our operational strategies.
What about equipment and manpower?
We have the blessing of Mr. President, and we are hoping to get more of what we have requested through the police trust fund very quickly.
What I want to tell Nigerians?
Nigerians should expect improvement on the security situation, and Nigerians should also collaborate and cooperate with us. With all the inadequacies we have, we still require everybody to be part of policing this country. And that is why the emphasis on community policing will continue, and the emphasis of collaborating with all other sister agencies will continue, and we hope to have a better situation very soon.
Yeah, on community policing, I want to find out from your predecessor actually did a lot in terms of community policing. How do you build on this?
We will continue to practicalize it. My predecessor has left at the theoretical stage almost. We have started practicalizing it, but we have not gone far. And therefore, all the methods of practicalizing it has been put in place, and we are going to continue with it in collaboration with other stakeholders.